Hey there, this is Shahnawaz Polash from Logo Farmers Studio. Today we are going to go through the logo design process that I did with my client. Keep watching the video from beginning to end. I am sure you are going to find this really interesting. A couple of days ago, I designed a logo for my client Lawrence Banahan. The company name was Carrot Media. It is an advertisement agency. The client wanted a rounded text logo and an avasta carrot in the circle. The color he preferred was orange. Based on those pieces of information, I will start my initial sketching. Before starting the sketch session, I am going to search on Google with the keyword carrot. I will pick a suitable carrot photo as a reference image. My sketching session has started. Here I am using Adobe Photoshop and Wacom pen tablet. You can also use a pencil and a paper instead of those. No need to be the drawing perfect in this stage of work. I am just drawing quickly and roughly to generate design concept. I plan to publish a series tutorial on logo design process. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Among all the concepts, let's go with this one. Now, I start cleaning the chosen concept. Still, it's not mandatory to be the drawing 100% perfect. After finishing the drawing, we will place it to Adobe Illustrator. Now we can start illustrating. At first, select the artwork. Reduce the opacity to 20%. Go to Object and lock the selection. Press Ctrl R to activate guide. Bring a vertical guideline and place it in the center of the sketch. Color of the guide is not clear enough. Let's change it to red. Go to Edit. Select Preference, then Guides and Grid. Change the color to red. Press OK. Now go to Pen tool and draw the left side of the carrot body. Make sure the starting and ending point intersect the guide. Apply black color to a stroke. For better visibility, I am increasing stroke weight to 4. With Direct Selection tool, click on the top left corner. Drag this little point to turn the corner into curve. Now I select the object and drag it pressing Alt and Shift key. Right clicking on the mouse, go to transform, then reflect. Make sure the axis vertical is checkmarked. Now press OK. We can hide the guideline for now. Move this portion closer to another one. Press Ctrl Y to activate outline view and reposition it perfectly. Press Ctrl Y again to go back to regular view. With the direct selection tool, select two anchor points below. Now right click and join. Do same for another 2 points. Now we have the outline of the carrot body. With pen tool, draw a diagonal line according to the sketch. Pressing Alt, drag the line to make another copy. Now select everything. Go to Shape Builder tool. Pressing Alt key, drag over the unnecessary lines to delete. I am also erasing those 3 portions. Now, without pressing Alt key, drag over these 2 portions to join. Do the same here. Now click each portions for once. Select everything. Sweep the fill and stroke. Apply lighter color in these 2 portions. To draw head portion of the carrot, we need the guide again. With the pen tool, draw the left triangle according to sketch. Select the triangle and drag pressing Alt to make another copy. Now reflect it vertically. Move it and overlap with another one. Make sure both shapes together aligned center with the guide. Draw another triangle in the middle. Select all the triangles and use the Shape Builder tool again. Once again, select all the triangles. Sweep the fill and stroke. Use lighter color on middle triangle. Okay, the abstract carrot icon is ready to use. Now we are going to add rounded text with the icon. Go to Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Using scissor tool, divide the circle into 2 parts. Select Type on a Path tool. Click once on the top path. Type the text carrot. With selection tool, hold the left handle and reposition it to starting point. Increase the font size to 60. Let's change the text title case to uppercase. I am going to use North font for this design. Now I need to increase the spacing between letters. So I go to Character panel and increase the value of tracking. To add a text on a bottom part, go to the Type on Path tool again. Click and type media. With selection tool, hold the right handle and reposition to ending point. Now reverse the text holding middle handle. To align text with the circle, go to Character panel and reduce the baseline shift value. If I change the font size, I need to adjust the baseline shift again. I am also adjusting tracking value. Now Carrot Media text is ready for the logo. Select both text. Press Ctrl G to group. Now group the carrot pressing Ctrl G. Select carrot and text together. Click horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now the logo is ready for coloring process. For coloring process, I often use the website Adobe Color as it's a very good place to find a specific color palette. You can go to explore and search for any color you want. Let's try with the keyword carrot. As you can see, there are so many colors based on carrot theme. You can also create color according to color harmony rule. I created this color palette for the design. Now I am going to create a gradient color swatch using these two colors. Select this object and go to Gradient panel. Select the gradient type linear. Click once on left gradient slider. Then select color picker. Pick the lighter color. Now click on another gradient handle and pick darker color. Now we have a nice gradient swatch for our design. In same way, I will create another gradient swatch using these two colors. Okay, now I will apply this color in the design. Select these two parts and apply gradient color. And select these two parts, apply flat lighter color. Selecting all the triangles, apply green gradient color. Now I will adjust all the gradient colors using gradient tool. Finally, I make a little presentation and send it to client for approval. Exercise. Take a screenshot of this frame. Choose a concept from here and design a logo in your way using this sketch. Then post your design to our Facebook group. I will let you know my opinion about your design. You will find our Facebook group link in description. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. And if you did not subscribe yet, please consider subscribing. See you in another video.